What a beautiful family camper, a lightweight 25-foot aerodynamic fiberglass and aluminum camper with bunks in the back. Check out that profiled fiberglass nose cone, cuts into the wind, making it an easy tow trailer at only a little over 5,000 pounds dry weight for a 25-footer with a slide-out front bedroom, rear double bunks. Let's take a look around. First of all, power tongue jack, covered propane tanks, comes to you with a battery installed and propane tanks filled. That's not where all the nice features stop. That's only the beginning. LED nose cone lighting, tire sensor monitor. There you see the transmitter on the front. All in one docking station. All the features nice inside. A heated, enclosed, and well-lit compartment. Furrion solar charge plug there, easy connection to the solar panels, water fill, water connection, outdoor shower port, battery disconnect, everything all in one handy spot. Big pass-through storage, slam latch, magnetic catch. Prepped for the side cameras, not only for the backup camera, but pop out that little glob and the side cameras go in there. Power stabilizer jacks, no more cranking down or getting out your impact. Nice deep tip out with a U-shaped dinette, 30 amp detachable power cord, insulated dumping valves, you can see that, heated underbelly, insulated valves. Rear mount spare tire, a rear bike door to store all your bikes and your big items. Another big storage area under the rear bunk. Long power awning, LED awning lights and LED lit speakers. Outdoor kitchen area with the Everchill fridge and a slide out workspace area, propane quick connect, so you can add the barbecue of your choice. There's the other very nice large entry into the front storage. Doggy D-ring, aluminum rims, and let's step inside. Here we've got a better picture of how that bike door works. The top bunk flips upright, and you've got a nice spot for some kids' bikes to slide in there. Double over double bunks, washroom in the back corner, the shower, seat, nice deep pan, storage areas, mirror door medicine cabinet, storage under the sink, easy access to storage under the benches with the swinging doors on either side. That converts into a nice sized bed there as well. Lightweight 25-foot family camper, and they still have room to tuck in the electric fireplace. That's rare to find in these smaller units. Big screen TV. The beauty of it is that's not all wasted area. When you undo your clip, you swing that open, you've got immense storage area in behind the TV. Spice rack there, countertop above the fireplace, and that's where your kitchen center is, taking up the other area there. 3-burner cooktop with a glass stovetop cover, LED lighting on the knobs, glass door oven, storage under the sink, slide out drawers, 4 of those, roll up draining rack sink cover, overhead storage cabinets, the Everchill 12-volt fridge. There's a tire monitor for in your vehicle to keep track of your tire pressure. Nice deep fridge. On the 12-volt fridges, you no longer have to have that space used up in the propane cooling plates. Walk-in front bedroom with a sliding pocket door, shirt closets on either side. I really do like these shirt closets, giving you the size you need, but not going in all the way to the back, which leaves little nightstands at your face there on either side. So a good little spot to put water bottles, or your phone's gonna lie in there for the night, and you're not taking up the nightstand area here where your drawers slide out. Even your glasses, things like that, can get tucked in at your head of the bed. Mount there for a second TV. And there you have it, the new floor plan from Primetime Tracer 25 BHS. Come check it out now. It's in stock at Long Haul and Listable.